Hey you! Stop falling down the YouTube rabbit hole. Go to Wix.com and get your professional website. I know you've been thinking about it, and I know you can do it. You want results? Take action. Come on, I'll show you how I did it. I always try to keep my Wix site fresh to attract new clients, so I'm uploading some new boxing videos here. My classes are pretty tough, so I want to show students what to expect. Oh yeah, they're gonna be sore tomorrow. Wix bookings is a total game changer for my business. My classes fill up really fast, so I'm adding another morning class here. They better hurry, spots fill up fast. As my business keeps growing, so does my to-do list. There is a lot to keep track of. With the Wix app, I can manage all my bookings, mark attendance, and even create membership plans right on my phone. Hey look, someone just booked the morning class. This is definitely gonna take my business to the next level. Go to Wix.com. Create your professional website today.